Without wasting a second of yours, because time is money. Let's begin with the video. If you have watched part 1 of this series, then you already know that there will be another question for you guys. So let's say I tell you to buy a movie ticket and watch it without you knowing anything about the movie. 20 minutes into the movie and you realize it's really boring and not worth your money. Now you have two choices to make, one to leave the movie or to watch the movie till the end. Pause the video to think for a bit. Okay, the time's up. Let's see if you've got it correct this time. If you choose to stay and watch the movie till the end, then it's probably a wrong move and choosing to leave would be right. The reason is simple: watching a movie which is boring is just like being stuck in a bad trade. People tend to watch such boring movie because they have already paid the money up front and they think they would lose money if they walk out in the middle. On the other hand, there are people who walk out are considered prime investor material since they are okay with cutting losses. So just like trading, even with movies, or in life as well, you have two choices to make: to hold on, or to let go. So if it's difficult for you to let go, then probably you should not trade, especially on shorter time frames. I'll be honest, this question is not something which I made, this is something I read in a book, or to be specific a manga, also known as Japanese comic book, named Investor Z. Anyone interested in investment or trading should definitely read it. You can read chapter 9 and 10 for this question. But I would suggest you at least read the first 10 chapters because it includes a lot of important concepts for a trader or investor, for example, one of the concepts from the manga is to value rules more than yourself, which can also be interpreted as don't be emotional or biased while trading. If you're someone who is in the market from some time, then you know very well how dangerous emotional trading could be. So this manga will primarily go through the fundamentals and psychological aspects of trading or investing, and not technical part. I'll leave the link in the description, so do check it out. Hope you liked the video. And subscribe to this channel for more such content and share this video with all your trading friends. See you guys in the next video. Until then, remember, time is money.